It is a simulations for calculated using in Proteus simulations. First, we need to run the program in the Arduino IDE. So first we included the library files which we are used in the program. We used a liquid crystal, that's the LCD display, and then we used the keypad. So we included the liquid crystal and the keypad library in the programming file. So in the keypad part we mentioned which are the rows we are gonna connect, like the seventh pin, sixth pin, five four, and the columns we're gonna connect to 3 2 1 0. And here's the which are the things we needed to print. First, I want to print the Priyanka calci. Then the programmings or the calculations were given. So after first we need to run the simulations, run the program. So click this right button. Once the program part is compiling, here we got the done compiling. So after compiling the process, we need to copy the X file of the program. Scroll down the program. So here we need to copy the X file of the program. So here we cannot see like the H file of the program. So we need to first copy it. After copying of the program, we need to open the total simulation. So here it is about a simulation to be used Arduino IDE and calculators, simulation calculator, and this is the LCD crystal display like LCD. So in the LCD part, in the 1 and 5 must we give the ground, and 2 we need to give the power, and 2 and 6 we give the input output pins, and D0 D4 to D7 must connected to the Arduino board. In the LCD, in the programming, we already mentioned the rows are need to connect which pins and the columns are connected to which pins. After the connections of these, we need to paste the X file which we copied from the Arduino simulation, Arduino IDE. So here we need to paste it, and we need to run the simulation. Here we got a Priyanka Kalsi is the printing statement of starting of the Kalsi. After that, we need to wait some time. So here we got the simulation. So here we use the calculation part, like I needed to add two numbers. So first I give 1 plus 8. Again we need to run and off the program. I want to multiple two numbers. So here first I give 4 multiplication. Wait, I think the programming is getting slow. Wait for some time. First enter the part. I need to multiply two numbers. So first I give 3, then I give the multiplication simple. then I need to add 2. So equal 3 into 2, 6. So we're gonna get the answer 6. Okay, this is the multiplication. So here we used to do addition, subtraction and multiplications. Okay.